or did you get feedback and then, or you decided that straight off the bat you were going to give these kind of instructions to people?
Yeah, straight off the bat, we were sure we wanted to give these instructions. Initially, we were messaging it to customers, but then we realized nobody goes through a long message. It
Right.
has to be made visual. So, yeah, very, very soon, like in a couple of weeks of starting, we had these printed cards with us.
And the early bit, when you started off, Ritesh, you told me that you used to take orders only on Saturday and Tuesday. What was
Yeah.
the what was the thinking behind that? You said this is my capacity, and why Saturday and why Tuesday?
Uh, it was simple. On Tuesdays, we would take orders for Thursday, Friday, Saturday. On Saturdays, we would take orders for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Okay.
Uh, yeah.
Okay.
And it was only to make people feel like, oh, they didn't have to wait another week to order.
Okay.
That was the
Okay.
only thinking at that time. We knew that we had one oven at home.